Hello friends, today we are studying MCQs for CAT exam preparation subject English. Simple test 1. First compound words, second non-finite verbs infinitive, participle gerunds, third punctuation for finding hidden words from the given word, and fifth making meaningful sentence using given phrase. Let's start. Language study 1. Simple activities. First, compound words. Activities. First, choose the correct compound words from the given alternative in the each sub-questions. A. Quotation. B. Cowboy. C. Correctly. D. Indirect. The correct option is option B. Cowboy. Explanation. The word quotation and correctly are formed by using suffix tion and ly to root word. The word indirect is formed by using prefix in. Only the word cowboy has two different words, cow and boy, with independent meaning, joined together to form a new word, cowboy, having a different meaning than two original words. Hence the answer is B. Second, A. Disbelief. B. Forgiveness. C. Racehorse. D. Going through. The correct option is option C. Racehorse. Third, A. Encouragement. B. Calmness. C. Handicap. And D. Foothills. The correct option is option D. Foothills. Fourth, A. High speed. B. Appealing. C. Walk slowly. And D. Momentary. The correct option is option A. High speed. Fifth, A. Particularly. B. Gentleman. C. Between. D. Greenery. The correct option is option B. Gentleman. Sixth, A. Accountant. B. Headache. C. Staring. And D. Worker. The correct option is option B. Headache. Seventh, A. Cold cream. B. Drinking. C. Inverted. And D. Jumbled. The correct option is option A. Cold cream. 8. Corrugated. B. Splendor. C. Attentive. D. Steering wheel. The correct option is option D. Steering wheel. 9th, A. Expensive. B. Fault finding. C. Reception. D. Wrestling. The correct option is option B. Fault finding. Question number 2. Choose the correct compound word in each sentence from the given alternative. First, he was well built, a cheerful young man, and he always tried to help others. Options: A. Cheerful. B. Always. C. Well built. D. Help others. The correct option is option C. Well built. Explanation. Cheerful is formed by using the suffix full, F-U-L, full. Always is a single word. Help others are two words, separate meaning, not joined together, and have only the word. Well built has a two different words with independent meaning joined together with a hyphen to form a new word, well built, having a different meaning. Hence the answer is C. Second, the moonlight gave a silver glow to the entire place and was beautiful to see. Options: A. Silvery. B. Beautiful. C. To see. And D. Moonlight. The correct option is Option D. Moonlight. Third, the young boy and his roommate went out to listen to a discourse on spirituality. Options A. Roommate. B. Spirituality. C. To listen. And D. Discourse. The correct option is option A. Roommate. Fourth, the king felt that it was a more sensible to live with self-reproach than to be blissful and ignorant of one's faults. Options A. Blissful. B. Self-reproach. C. Ignorant. And D. Sensible. The correct option is option B. Self-reproach. Fifth, the aged woman found her young guest lifestyle shocking and unbearable. Options A. Aged woman. B. Unbearable. C. Shocking. D. Lifestyle. The correct option is option D. Lifestyle. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct option to from the compound words. First, he wore a rain dash to protect himself from the heavy downpour. Options A. Pullover. B. Shirt. C. Shawl. And D. Coat. The correct option is option D. Coat. Explanation. Only the word coat forms a meaningful compound word raincoat. Hence the answer is option D. Second, the tourist sent the entire week site. Option A. Touring. B. Seeing. C. Walking. D. Training. The correct option is option B. Seeing. Third, the young actor had a lot of self-dash. Options A. Confidence. B. Confident. C. Surety. B. Possessive. The correct option is option A. Confidence. Fourth, the receipt told the cook to add 1 table dash of sugar. Options A. Tumbler. B. Cup. C. Spoon. D. Fork. The correct option is option C. Spoon. Fifth, the thief jumped into the swimming dash to escape his followers. Options A. Arena. B. Pool. C. Water. And D. Puddle. The correct option is option B. Pool. Sixth, the police car overdashed the speeding truck. Option A. Take. B. Taken. C. Took. D. Take. The correct option is option C. Took. Seventh, the little puppy looked at the mouth dash piece of cake longingly. Options A. Wishing. B. Watering. C. Warming. D. Waiting. The correct option is option B. Watering. 8th, the young mother wanted a baby dash to look after the child. Options A. Sitting. B. Seat. C. Sitter. D. Sitter. The correct option is option D. Sitter. 9th, the thief was afraid that his plane would back dash. Option A. Side. B. Seat. C. Fire. D. Steal. The correct option is option C. Fire. Question 4. Choose the correct word from the alternative which will form a compound word with the given word in each sub-question. First, candle. Options A. Board. B. Stick. C. Gum. D. Chair. The correct option is option B. Stick. Second, play. Option A, line. B, screen. C, ground. D, chair. The correct option is option C, ground. Third, door. Options A, mat. B, yard. C, coat. D, print. The correct option is option A, mat. Question 5th. Choose the correct compound word for the given set of words each sub-question. First, proof against fire. Options A, fireproof. B, fireproof. C, fireproof. D, fireproof. The correct option is option C, fireproof. Second, dreams during the day. Options A, daydreams. B, days dreams. C, days dreams. And D, day dreamed. The correct option is option A, daydreams. Okay, let's start second chapter. Non-finite verbs, infinitives, participle, gerunds. Let's start activities. Question first. Choose the correct infinitive in each sentence from the given alternative. First, the young man just had to do it so that he was happy with himself. Options A, so that. B, himself. C, to do. And D, had to do. The correct option is option C, to do. Explanation. The word to is generally used before infinitive except if it is a bare infinitive, hence the answer is C. Second, her brother took her to the fair and told her to enjoy himself thoroughly. Options A, to enjoy. B, to the fair. C, to the thoroughly. D, took her. The correct option is option A, to enjoy. Third, he was not smart enough to understand the joke at once. Options A, enough to. B, at once. C, to understand. D, was not smart. The correct option is option C, to understand. Fourth, let us deal with the matter respectfully. Options A, let. B, matter. C, respectfully. And D, deal. The correct option is option D, deal. Explanation. Option A, let is a finite verb. The infinitive used after let is a bare infinitive. It does not take to before it. Option B, matter, is a noun. And option C, respectfully, is an adverb. Hence the answer is D. Fifth, I said let the poor man eat in peace. Options A, eat. B, let. C, said. And D, peace. The correct option is option A, eat. Sixth, make the little boy drink all the milk before the sleep. Option A, make. B, drink. C, sleep. And D, little. The correct option is option B, drink. Seventh, the crowd saw the thief run away quickly from the spot. Options A, saw. B, crowd. C, run. D, away. The correct option is option C, run. 8th, Nisha offered to help in any way possible. Option A, to help. B, help. C, offered. D, possible. The correct option is option A, to help. Question second. Choose the correct gerund in each sentence from the given alternative. First, he just sat on the couch and continued reading an inspiring book from the library. Options A, continued. B, reading. C, library. And D, inspiring. The correct option is option B, reading. Explanation. A gerund is a verbal noun ending in ing and answering the question what, the answer can be reading or inspiring both. Ending is ing, however inspiring is an adjective, hence the answer is B. Second, the motivation provided by the winning team inspired many boys to try swimming. Options: A. Swimming, B. Provided, C. Winning, and D. Motivation. The correct option is option A. Swimming. Third, though the girl did not like cooking, she had to do it regularly for the sake of her family. Options: A. Regularly, B. Family, C. Sake of, and D. Cooking. The correct option is cooking. Fourth, we should think a various way of protecting our environment from pollution and degradation. Options: A. Pollution, B. Protecting, C. Degradation, and D. Environment. The correct option is option B. Protecting. Fifth, adopted activity curriculum consisting of running and other things. Options: A. Adopted, B. Things, C. Running, and D. Activity. The correct option is option C. Running. Sixth, in high school, Mike had a job selling newspaper subscriptions. Options: A. Newspaper, B. Subscriptions, C. Head, and D. Selling. The correct option is option C. Selling. Seventh, hearing the sound of hammering from a side street, Rayburn had an idea. Option: A. Hearing, B. Hammering, C. Side, and D. Head. The correct option is option B. Hammering. Question third. Choose the correct present participle in each sentence from the given alternative. First, the children were watching a film about running a race and winning. Options: A. Watching, B. Winning, C. Running, and D. Were watching. The correct option is option A. Watching. Explanation. A present participle ends in ing and is also used to form the continuous tense along with the auxiliary verb. Were watching is auxiliary plus present participle. Running and winning are gerund verbal nouns. The word watching is a present participle used to form the past continuous tense. Hence the answer is A. Second, it was an interesting idea and the boys thought that they should try to follow it. Option A. Thought, B. Follow, C. Should try, and D. Interesting. The correct option is option D. Interesting. Third, the mother sometime watched her sleeping baby with a joyful smile. Options: A. Joyful, B. Watched, C. Sleeping, and D. Sometime. The correct option is option C. Sleeping. Fourth, the old man has a walking stick with which he beats the ground. Options: A. Beat, C. B. Has, C. Ground, D. Walking. The correct option is option D. Walking. Fifth, seeing the fearful lion, the lion man ran away to the safety of his car. Options: A. Fearful, B. Seeing, C. Away, D. Safety. The correct option is option B. Seeing. Sixth, the furious referee had been pointing a finger angrily at me during the match. Options: A. Furious, B. Pointing, C. Angrily, and D. During. The correct option is option B. Pointing. Question number 4. Choosing the correct non-finite verb to fill in the blanks in each sentence. First, when I was on the road, I began to dash quickly. Options: A. Walking, B. Walk, C. Walked, and D. Be walking. The correct option is option B. Be walked. Explanation. The word to before the blank shows that the word is an infinitive, therefore the answer should be the base form of the verb. B. Walk is the answer. Second, the man revived when the blood stopped dash. Option A. Flow. B. To flowing. C. Flowing. D. Flowed. The correct option is option C. Flowing. Third, I have had the privilege of dash with many courageous people. Options A. To work. B. Work. C. Worked. And D. Working. The correct option is option D. Working. Fourth, the little girl did not like dash stories. Options A. Frightful. B. Fearful. C. Frightening. And D. Frighted. The correct option is option C. Frightening. Explanation. Through option A and B make sense, they are not present participle non-finite verb ending ing but pure adjective. Options D does not make sense, hence the answer is C. Frightening. Fifth, everyone will be dashed to school after a few days. Options A. Going. B. Gone. C. Goes. And D. To go. The correct option is option A. A going. Sixth, Mona told her daughter, you must dash for the party. Options A. To go. B. Going. C. Gone. And D. Go. The correct option is option D. Go. Seventh, nothing is more dash to active man than enforced idleness. Options A. Agonized. B. To agonize. C. Agonizing. And D is agonizing. The correct option is option C. Agonizing. 8th, on dash the garden you will be given a sack each. Options A. Entered. B. Entering. C. Are entering. And D. You enter. The correct option is option B. Entering. Okay, let's start lesson number 4, finding hidden words from the given word. Third lesson will be taken in second part of the video. Okay, let's start the activity. First, choose the word that can be formed using the letter of the given word. First, publisher. A. Release. B. Blemish. C. Sharp. And D. Brush. The correct option is option D. Brush. Second, language. Options A. Gaggle. B. League. C. Glean. And D. Angular. The correct option is option C. Glean. Third, education. Options A. Nation. B. Diction. C. Notice. And D. Enacted. The correct option is option C. Notice. Fourth, reasonable. Options A. Oneself. B. Believe. C. Bearable. And D. Enable. The correct option is option D. Enable. Fifth, selection. Options A. Lesson. B. Enclose. C. Online. D. Lectern. The correct option is option B. Enclose. Sixth, tenacious. Options A. Escort. B. Scant. C. Science. And D. Nation. The correct option is option B. Scant. Seventh, nondescript. Options A. Scape. B. Trade. C. Thrice. And D. Scripted. The correct option is option D. Scripted. 8th, obliterate. Options A. Aerate. B. Create. C. Bitter. And D. Bilateral. The correct option is option C. Bitter. 9th, philanthropist. Options A. Health. B. Throat. C. Latest. And D. Stare. The correct option is option D. Stare. 10th, octogenarian. Options A. Orange. B. Orange. C. Triangle. And D. Green. The correct option is Option B. Orange. Question number 2. Choose the word that cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. First, beginner. Options A. Benign, B. Benign, C. Bridge, and D. Engine. The correct option is option C. Bridge. Second, familiarity. Options A. Artificial, B. Trial, C. Military, C. D. Family. The correct option is option A. Artificial. Third, interaction. Options A. Traction, B. React, C. Create, and D. Orate. The correct option is option C. Create. Fourth, communication. Options A. Nation, B. Common, C. Auction, and D. Mention. The correct option is option D. Mention. Fifth, meaningful. Options A. Flying, B. Glance, C. Famine, and D. Leaning. The correct option is option B. Glance. Sixth, legitimate. Options A. Gleam, B. Metal, C. Inmate, and D. Limit. The correct option is option C. Inmate. Seventh, inedible. Options A. Blind, B. Table, C. Belie, and D. Bleed. The correct option is option B. Table. Eighth, unanimously. Options A. Slain, B. Manly, C. Slime, and D. Nails. The correct option is option C. Slime. Ninth, judiciously. Options A. Juicy, B. Solid, C. Scald, and D. Solicit. The correct option is option D. Solicit. 10th, stimulation. Options A. Tails, B. Stint, C. Mutate, and D. Session. The correct option is option C. Mutate. Hello guys, if this video is helpful and knowledgeable to you, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.